To achieve this structure, I'm making use of a fishing line of 1.30 millimeters and an organdy fabric. You can also use a candle organza fabric. This is the front side of the structure, and this is the back view. I'm going to place the fishing line behind, that's on the back face, on the back view. Then you turn it and sew. You're going to be making use of his zipper foot. Then you sew all the way down. You adjust while you sew. I'm leaving 0.5 inches allowance. That's the space between the distance between each stitch. So you would sew it all the way down. Remember to adjust while you sew. This is the finished work. I went ahead to pipe the beginning and the end. So you just cut the organza fabric and then the organdy and turn it neatly. You can go on to style it however you want. Please don't forget to share this video to whoever will be in need of this tutorial video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next.